Ciao, we're going to take you to the open market in Aci Sant Antonio to show you the fresh produce and all types of things for the house. There's something for everyone at this weekly market. And this one, Aci Sant Antonio, is every Monday.
It's so important. These markets are just so important to the Italians and to the Sicilians. They're vital. But by the way, the next break, watch what I want to show you.
Come for a walk with us. We just parked the car. And of course there was a guy there going to keep his eyes on our car, right?
Security, what do you gotta do? They gotta make a buck too.
Viaggiamo, dai, c'è sul carabiniere, tutto qua, ma dai, no, a lui è una ditta grossa.
E come chiama lui?
Lui si chiama Giacomo.
Giacomo, con tutto il pesce.
Questo, guarda il gambero. Gambero, questo è quello che si mangia crudo, guarda, aspetta, ce lo facciamo vedere. Aspetta.
Mangia. È buono?
Buonissimo. Due signore a pigliare.
Usiamo il fiore.
Allora, signori, dove siamo? Dove ci vediamo?
YouTube.
YouTube.
You, me and Sicily su
Vabbè, poi mi
YouTube.
cerca lei.
Ok.
Vai, numero uno, uno. Vai, Benedetto. Uno. Così. Vai, Giovanni, ripreso, preso.
Look at this. Everyone's waiting for the artichoke.
How are you from?
This is what the artichoke looks like. Oh, what's up? People are enjoying videotaping. That's nice. Half hour, we're standing here. Look at him cut the purple cauliflower. First ones of the season. It's Monday, so it's packed. This is the very first of the season. We're end of November, and here are the bacallas, Alfred, or is it stocco?
You could tell how thick they are too, how fresh they are. They've got to dry out a bit, but that's easy to get the salt off, you know?
Cod.
Like salted cod, yeah. Delicious.
Look at these mushrooms. Roasted.
These are Cleorius mushrooms.
Signore, non ce le viene a pigliare. Vuole dietro, per me tutte perché ci voglio.
Quelli là, questi.
Buonissimo, signore.
It's a beautiful presentation. They look like flour.
Look at this, yeah. Have you ever seen anything like this in your life, Esther? Look at the size of the Cleorius mushrooms.
That's one of the biggest ones.
Look at this one here. Are they beautiful, or are they what? And look down here.
And the guy was giving the recipe. You have to grill it or roast it with olive oil, parsley, and garlic.
They're just unbelievable.
A romaine lettuce head. Look at how big this is. Così. Perfetto. Quanto costa una? Quanto?
Questo è 2,50 €.
150. It's usually €1, but you know. Perfetto.
Va bene, me li dia perché sono piccolini quelli.
Sì, due carciofi e poi una caviafiore. Quanto è il caviafiore?
Quando è? Sa? Quando è?
4 euro, una grande, sì. E poi cacciotti quanto è?
60. Ok, quale vuoi?
Yeah, get 3 of them. They're small.
Lattuga, per favore. Quanto costa?
La vuole venire a Tia quando... Un taglio pure?
Pomodoro, sì, questa. Basta, no, solo un. Basta, sì. E poi un sedano. Grazie, I'm gonna make some celery soup. Grazie.
Prego.
Oh, how am I gonna walk around with all this stuff?
Una buona giornata.
Anche voi. Ciao. This guy's great. That's herring right there. The olives, my mouth is watering with these olives. Grazie, no.
Uno.
Okay, he wants me to try one. Da dove sono queste?
Questo è tutto Sicilia.
Sì, la Castelvetrano?
No.
Sicilia qua.
Paternò, this one's from Paternò.
Un po' di questo lì, anche se Casazzolotto non mi interessa.
This guy wants us to try everything. Grazie. Ciao! That's a guy from Piccolo Mundo. No, sta lavorando qui?
Sì.
Ah, prossima volta, conosco.
Ti aspetto.
The waiter from Piccolo Mundo. Ciao. Can even get a cup of coffee, a granita, and even a brioche. This guy right here I love. I always find something good here. That's kind of nice.
€6.
Holy, I kind of like this. Hey, I need a new outfit.
Easy access. There's no way. There's no way.
I'm kidding. This is all leather. Love these boots. I wonder how they do this. How can they sell this stuff? It says leather. Ciao.
Posto. Che tu con quelli soldi dell'America sei impazzito, eh?
Sì?
Tutti i soldi che c'hai, come stai?
Good to see this guy back. Come stai?
Bene. Ma che problema?
Questa tua? He's doing all the Christmas stuff. Okay, so listen to the story. A few years ago when we first did the open market video and we interviewed this guy and I showed the clothes that he had and all the stuff, and then 2 weeks later after we published the video we came back and showed him the video and he had tears in his eyes and he said, Esther and Alfred, thank you so much for showcasing our beautiful Sicily and showing the world the real Sicily, the land of sun, of love, of great food, not the way the mafia movies portrayed us. So it was so nice to see that. Oh, look at this, Alfredo, testa d'amore, all kinds of designs here. Oh, look at that nativity scene, that's gorgeous. And there's my red Fiat. Cute. Oh, this is very nice too. Alfred, you know what this is? This is one of those Christmas calendars.
Yeah.
We do this in Hungary as well. Every day you open up a box corresponding to the day of the month leading up to Christmas, and inside usually there's some kind of a treat like a chocolate or so forth. My niece has one right now. My mom got her one. Did you guys do that when you were growing up?
Well, actually, yes. We would either have, my mother would stuff a piece of pizza in one of those or a meatball sub. Sometimes a good scacciata, too.
Someone has their sense of humor with them today. €2. Oh, €2. Wear it once, toss it.
No, that stuff is recycled stuff.
Buon Natale, Merry Christmas. Just like in the United States, November, already the Christmas stuff comes out. Pillows, more shoes, socks, bras. Oh, these shoes look nice. I just bought a pair though in Taormina. Quanto costa questa? 30? €30. Made in China. The entire world made in China. È vero. Certo.
Hai roba bella ragazze! Mi vede mano, amore.
Oh, listening to them is so entertaining. Ciao.
Che prezzo hai? 7 euro. C'hai questo colore? Ah? Questo colore solo?
I guess pink is in season, huh? Pink, white, green. There you go. Look at this. The Italian flag almost.
At least he hasn't broken up by color.
Oh, I like these pants.
Solo merce di negozio, ragazze!
By the way, this is next to the cemetery. Cemetery's right here. And on weekends, a lot of flower vendors set up here. So there you go. This is the parking lot of the cemetery here in Aci Sant Antonio. And on Mondays, it turns into a market. And this is how they wrap it up when they're getting ready to go. See? Just put it all in a bag and back into the truck. What are you going to look for?
2 artichokes. I'm going to make my mother's recipe.
Okay. Want some granita? So I noticed a lot of the Christmas stuff coming out. Stoku. What did you find?
Look at these pillows. €3. Pillows, it's unbelievable. You even have the zipper. Buonissimo. €3.
€3. $4.99. $4.99. $4.99. $4.99. $4.99. $4.99.
You can do your Christmas shopping here for $50.
Quality is pretty good. There's Edna over there. It's a little cloudy. It's just good to walk around and listen to the Sicilians talk.
It's a glorious day, Bun. You know me?
These are nice. Homeware. Ooh, that jacket. That is nice. These are gorgeous. Buongiorno, quanto costa questa?
Questo lungo? Questo è 25.
$25 for this.
Questo corto è 20.
Beautiful. And here's the deal of the day. Tutto €2. You can definitely say this is where the junk is. But in today's economy, you know, makes sense for people, families struggling to come here. In fact, the Prime Minister has been talking about giving some tax cuts to Sicilian Italians when they're buying bread, milk, and some of the basics. But some of the unions and some of the groups were saying, what are you kidding me? It's only €20 when it added all up a year. €20 savings a year. So Sicilians can come here and get their savings in other places. Like sewing. There you go. Materials for anyone who likes. But these, oh look, oh, these are beautiful, huh? No. Not handmade, but pretty nice. Even some fake flowers over here. Bras. Right next to the flowers.
You know, this stuff is pretty good. It'll last a year. This
A
stuff,
year?
Yeah.
We bought stuff here before and we still have it from years ago.
That's because I never use it.
Alfred and I get some stuff over here, for sure, for the house. Always something interesting. Gotta have some patience to look through this, but a few times we've needed something, we've actually needed something for the house, and we were able to find it here. Tutto €1. €1. Everything, €1.
Femminile, tutto, bracciale, orecchini, collane. Vai,
Bracelets, earrings, necklaces.
Regaloci, prego.
Alfred Zappola, you need a new wallet.
No, you bought me one, a Timberland.
Yeah, but these guys are nice. Oh, this guy is so cute. Selling little plants. Giorno. He said all these plants bring good luck. Good little presents. Of course, even the pepper. The mangias, certo, grazie, carino. Ciao. Look, good shopping day here at the Mercato in Aci Sant Antonio. Are you enjoying this type of video? Do you want to see us going to the market even more? Let us know in the comments. Great thing about going to these markets is, you know, just getting out, listening to Sicilians, seeing what's fresh, seeing what's new styles every season ushers in new products as well.
And the best part about it is when we go back there next Monday, be all new stuff. The reason is because they pack up that stuff and then they go to the next town, the next town, the next town. After 5 towns, they're depleted. So on Mondays, they have all new stuff for us to see.
I got to tell you, I was eyeing that jacket, that white jacket, €30. I should have gotten it.
And I also think that would look good with that nice, what color was
That
it?
pink or red turtleneck.
The red turtleneck. I think she would look darling in that for sure.
Anyway, that's such a fun experience here in Sicily. If you come here, make sure you check out one of these markets because not every town, but many towns do have it. And it's a great way to get really deep into the culture of Sicily.
And you don't want to know something else? The cheaply made goods at this point in time, okay, with this economy, are vital for survival. Okay, remember, the average family lives on less than $20,000 a year. We're talking about a family
It's a
of 4.
very important venue for those families, for Sicilians struggling especially now.
Exactly right. You're exactly right. It's a vital thing.
So on that note, can we talk about your lunch that you have been waiting to talk about and eat? Wait a sec. So we have a bunch of stores that we go to because we like to spread around, and some stores have products that we like better than others. Some places like Lidl has a lot of for international stuff. And would you believe what we found? Look at this. This is unbelievable. Look what we found. Lobster from Canada. €10. It is so frozen.
But you want to know something, Esther? I can make myself a lobster fra diavolo with this. It'll give it a little bit of lobster taste. I'm going to invest $10 of my own money.
So guess what we made? Alfred's mom's lobster sauce. The ingredients are passata, which is tomato sauce. She had onions, also glass of white wine, salt, pepper, no oregano, no basil in any of this. You cook it for about 15 minutes, and there was garlic in there as well. And then you put in the lobster and keep it in there for an hour. Did you see how small that lobster is?
Well, what you do too, I just want to give you a little correction if anybody's going to write this down. Bring the sauce to a boil and then move it down to medium heat.
I just gave the ingredients.
And then put the lobster in. That's how you want to do it.
Let it simmer for an hour.
Now, if you want to be daring, you could make what they call fra diavolo, from the devil, and you could put in hot pepper flakes. All right, so there are various ways to do it. And you know how expensive lobster is here in Sicily? It's sinful.
Well, that lobster was €10.
That
if you
was
go
€10
to a restaurant,
from Canada,
expect to pay sometimes hundreds of dollars. So not a thing that you come to Sicily, but for us as Bostonians, we love our lobster. Yeah, I did say it, lobster.
The next time we go back to Lidl, I'm going to buy 2, and we're going to have an orgy, believe me. We'll have almost a pound of lobster. Whoopee!
There it is, homemade lobster sauce in Sicily. Look at this little small lobster. Yummy, yum, yum.
The smaller they are, the more tasty they are.
We're filming this at the end of November, and lots of birthdays out there. So if you're having a November birthday, happy birthday to you, and happy birthday to your dad in heaven.
Sonny Zappa, he passed away December the 29th, 1996, a long time ago. Not a day goes by, Esther, I don't think about him or say a prayer for his soul. But my father, he was a real character, that guy. If he was alive today, if he was a kid today, they would call him a bilingual latchkey kid. In other words, while his parents were working in the sweatshops in Lawrence,
He was at home.
he was on the streets running wild, shooting craps, playing pool, playing cards. Believe me, my father was a character. And he also liked to bargain. My father liked to bargain too. One time he was driving by a gas station which was offering a glass for every $10 that you spent. You put the gas in.
Wait, I wonder where you get this from.
So he comes walking
There isn't a bargain Alfred wouldn't go for.
He came walking in the house with 24 of them. Right? He tipped the guy extra money, one of the kids working, and the guy gave him a bunch of them. And over the years, of course, they died, they broke, whatever. However, today I broke out the last remaining glass from my father, Patriots glass.
His birthday was November 24, right?
Yep. These are now collector's items. You
Okay,
can find these on eBay
so
for $10
just
each.
if you guys are new around
so,
here,
Sonny boy, this is for you.
ching ching, here's to Dad Zappa. Now, if you guys are new around here, you may not know that this one, Patriots Everything. This is his morning mug.
And I have a whole, but anyways, I
Whole
have to,
collection
you know,
of Patriots.
Let me just tell
And
one more
wait,
quick-
one more thing about the Patriots, because you know the Patriots are playing right now. And do you know that we're 6 hours ahead of Boston, of EST? So when there's a game and it's at 2:30 in the morning, you know who's up watching it and not sleeping?
Anyways, I have one more funny story to tell about it.
In the middle of the night. Wait, in the middle of the night. God damn it! God damn it! They fumbled.
All right, okay. So anyways, I'll tell you one more funny Christmas story about Sonny, all right? He was a Walmart-aholic before Walmart was even...
I remember this.
Okay.
This has to do with the Christmas tree.
So he walked into a Walmart one time. He was, I don't know, maybe 5 years before he died. And there was a big, beautiful tree there and a price tag, $75. $65 it was, right?
But it wasn't
so
in
Sonny-
the
so
it
Sonny-
wasn't in the box, right?
Right.
It was just a
it was on
display.
display, right?
Yeah.
So Sonny says, I want that tree. So the guy says, well, I'll go get you one. He says, no, I want that tree over there. Because it was festooned with lights, bulbs, you name it, right? So the guy says, that's a display. He says, it says $65. I want it, or I'm going to get a cop. So he kind of like, So anyways, he comes walking home, driving home, with not only the tree that was only supposed to be $65, but all the ornaments, all the lights, the stand.
I love that story.
We
I
had
love that story.
tree. We had that tree till the day he passed away.
Oh,
Yeah. I mean, and he was
lasted a long time.
There wasn't a person that came into my house, to my old man, God rest his soul, Sonny. He would have been 99 today.
Oh,
Yeah. He didn't tell that story, right, about that tree.
he was proud of it, right?
It was worth $65. I don't mind telling you, it was
All
a
right.
great tree. Sonny, I love you. We miss you.
to Sonny Zappala. All right, so I have a few promos for you guys. If you are You, Me, and Sicily fan and you love wines from Italy and Sicily, www.winesfromitaly.com. If you purchase $200 or more, you get free shipping. That's winesfromitaly.com. We had several segments with Ciao Daniel and Federico Lombardo talking about the Sicilian wines and why they're so special. And the other one is if you love jewelry, especially Roman and Greek style, Roman and Greek inspired jewelry, www.romejewelry.com. That's how you pronounce it in Latin, romejewelry.com. Our friend Chris Corando, who's up in Rome, she's a professor at John Cabot University. She's an archaeologist, and she's been doing it for several decades, and she was so inspired by Roman and Greek jewelry that women wore back then that she's replicating a lot of them. And you get 10% off any purchase, www.romejewelry.com. Put in promo code You, Me, and Sicily for both of them. Promo code You, Me, and Sicily. And finally, which should have been really the first, Alfred's 3 books, 1999, great gifts. So there you go.
I
That's
only
my
have-
little commercial break.
I had my kids only put together 10 packages of books. That's it, because it's too crazy around the holidays. $19.99, they were perfect gifts. We can ship them all over the United States. If they have to get mailed to Canada, there's an additional charge with the Canadians.
Yeah.
And they're in English. And they're very funny stories about
Life.
growing up in a Sicilian American household.
In Sicily.
And I interspace it with our life here, and also with just a lot of humor. There's a lot of humor in those.
Quick
stories.
read,
Yeah.
very fun. Also some recipes, so great gift idea.
And one
So,
more thing, please.
yeah.
And all these books, including the Reverse Immigrant's been sold out. That's available on Kindle as a print on demand. You can get the book on demand. But the other 4 are also available as an electronic version on Kindle.
Well worth your read for sure. On that note, if you've enjoyed this video, please consider hitting the like, sharing it with a friend, and of course, we'll be here for you every single Sunday at 10 a.m. Eastern Time. Actually, it's 4 p.m. Sicily time, so wherever you're watching, calculate where it is for you. We're here for you.
Sendimi Sando. Ti voglio bene. I love you, Sonny. Sa benediga.
Ciao. Arrivederci. That just brought some tears to my eyes. That was so sweet. Ciao, guys.